Adam, good evening. Okay, look at the pictures and then you tell me what is it, okay? Okay, Adam, look, what's this?
Apple.
Okay, good job. Apple. What about this one?
Ball.
Alright, ball. You're so smart, honey. What about this?
Black cat.
Black cat. Good job. What about this?
Red dog.
Oh, white dog. Very good. And look, what is this?
Red.
You don't have to say the color. Just tell me what animal is this. What's this, anak?
Color of elephant. Color elephant.
Yeah, elephant daw, guys. Okay, good job. How about this? What's this? Look at the picture. It's a...
White juice. White juice.
Okay, white fish daw, guys. Okay, great job, anak. Oh, look, what are these? Do you know what fruits are these?
Put grapes.
Grapes! Oh, good job, grapes daw, guys. And this one is a...
Chicken.
chicken!
Mama chicken.
Oh, mama chicken? Yeah, that's right. Good job. Oh, look, what's this?
Ice cream.
Ice cream! Yay! What about this?
This.
Oh, juice! Guys, juice daw, guys. Butanganan man sa juice, guys. Well done, anak. And look, what's this?
Key.
Hello!
Key.
Kay si Adam, guys. Ski daw siya. Good job, anak. Oh, yung itudlo ang doorknob, guys. Kay Key daw. Hala, guys. Kinsa may nagtudlo niyo akong baby ka smart ba? Uy, okay, what about this?
Lion.
Lion! Oh my goodness. What about this?
Apple.
Usually baby Adam yellow ni siya. Look, abi niya og apple, guys, but it's a mango.